guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make fizzy blocks.
Fizzy blocks, and these are what fizzy blocks look like.
These are like a fizzy block.
So basically, the ingredients for today are gonna be the fizzy blocks. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys how to make it with some vinegar as well. So this is a science experiment, so it's gonna make a reaction. So it's baking soda and vinegar. The way that I did the fizzy blocks, I put 1/4 cup of water in a bowl. I put food coloring in the bowl. In another bowl, I put baking soda, 1 cup of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of clear gelatin, like Jello.
Yeah.
The powder.
Yeah.
We use it in the mix. And we pour the water mixture with the color inside of the baking soda mixture. And then that goes into the ice trays. I already gave Raymond some of the fizzy blocks.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in some of the vinegar inside the bowl. And he's gonna drop little by little the vinegar on top of the fizzy blocks. Look how cool. I made blue and red. Are you ready?
Yeah. No, hold on. Go back. This is blue. This is blue. This is blue. This is red. This is red. This is blue. This is blue. This is blue.
Good job. Now let's begin.
Yay.
All right. Now he's gonna start putting the vinegar on the fizzy blocks, and let's see what it does. Little by little. If you guys have a dropper for the kids, it'll be a really cool fine motor skill for them.
Ready?
Go ahead. Start pouring the vinegar on the blocks. See what they do. Put more. Oh, it's fizzy.
Oh.
Whoa.
I'm gonna put more.
The baking soda in the mixture is reacting to the vinegar. You hear that fizz? Is that cool? No, keep pouring the vinegar on the blocks, Papa.
Whoa. Whoa. Let's get in.
Oh, I hear all the fizz.
Let me see what they do.
It's getting fizzy.
I'm gonna take them out and then put
Don't you
it
know how to take them out?
back. Slide them. So mix color.
Put more vinegar on them so they can fizz up more.
What's up?
Let me see if I can help you out. Alright, let me try it out. See if I can add more of the vinegar. Yeah, this is a little hard.
No, this.
Ooh.
Come on, and you see something.
Ooh, it's fizzy. Watch out. Whoa. It's like the volcano, right?
Yeah.
Here you go. Look how all the fizzy blocks, they fizzled up. How cool is that? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool. Yeah.
Put more, Mommy, more.
More vinegar.
Yes.
Let's see, I don't know how much more fizzy. Look how fizzy it looks over here. Let's try it out. Let's see if it fizzes more.
What are those? Whoa. Whoa. Mommy, put more here. And then it's it's going. Wow. But more on here.
I think we're done with the vinegar. Ah, we finished all the vinegar. Whoa, how cool. Are you gonna crush them up?
Yeah.
They're a little tough. They're still frozen.
Keep watching. I hope you like my video.
On the Fizzy blocks.
On the Fizzy box.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Let me make the Fizzy box. Let me turn them. What's the other Fizzy box? Wait. The Fizzy box.